Why do I have 3 sets of ROMEX coming into a box with only one single pole switch? Replacing the switch, and not confident how to wire new one.
Hello there and welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I will be assisting you today. I am an engineer with over 30 years of electrical and electronic training, repair and installation experience. I will try and answer your question accurately and precisely so that we can get you on your way. Now.there are many possibilities here for having 3 sets. For example, pair from breaker panel, pair to light fixture, pair to next room. Is the existing switch still connected? Or did you remove it already? Please let me know so that we can continue. Regards, Steve.
We removed the existing switch, and are not 100% confident how it was previously wired. The 3 grounds are connected. At least 2 blacks were connected to the switch, and at least 2 whites were wire nutted together. We're not confident about the other white and other black.
So when you remove the previous switch, you should have 2 wires left plus the ground. What happened?
We don't know how the other 2 were wired. Here's what we know. The 3 ground wires from the ROMEX cables are all connected. Black from at least 2 of the ROMEX cables were attached to the single pole switch. Not sure about the 3rd black, or which one it was. White from at least 2 of the ROMEX cables were wire nutted together. Not sure about the 3rd white, or which one it was.
Okay, it's very likely that all the whites were tied together, neutrals, so do that. You are then going to have 3 blacks. One of them is hot from the breaker. If you have a voltage tester or meter, determine which one it is. If you don't, this is what you are going to do. Turn breaker off. Nut 2 of the 3 blacks together, turn on the breaker. If the fixture comes on, one of the 2 is your hot and one is the feed to the fixture. The remaining black heads to another room, most likely. So once you get the light, those 2 go to the switch. Now you need to go around the house and find if you have a receptacle or light that is not working. Once you determine that, we can finish up. Let me know what happens so that we can continue. Steve.
Okay. And I think I know which outlet is likely to be on the same circuit. We will do the test you describe and let you know once we're ready to proceed. Should only be a few minutes.
Okay, I'll be here.
Okay. Success. We connected all 3 whites and have identified the 2 blacks that caused the light to come on, and we've identified the receptacle that remains off with the 3rd black wire unattached. What do we do with that black wire?
Okay, so let's look at the 2 blacks that make the light come on. One is hot from the breaker, the other goes to the light. So, separate them and join one of the 2 to your other black receptacle. Then check that receptacle. If it is hot, then you have identified the hot wire from the breaker from your original 2. If not, then you know it is the other one. You would simply connect the receptacle black to the same terminal as the hot, together on the light switch, and the fixture black to the other terminal. When you do this, The light switch should turn the light on and off, and your receptacle should be permanently energized. Give it a try. Be careful and make sure all your grounds are tied together. I hope that answers your question. If it does, please remember to rate the service I provided by clicking a smiley face, then submit. Don't worry, that won't close your question. You can come back whenever you want for more information. Now, if this didn't answer your question, just click Reply to Expert and let me know. Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.